with some card tricks and then we'll move on to mentalism, okay? So I have a normal pack of cards, 52 cards, and you can just choose any one card you like.
I'll just pull it?
Yeah, just pull it out.
Okay.
Show to everybody the camera and do not show it to me, okay? Show to the camera also.
Here.
Once you're done, okay, remember the card because it's a long one. So, you have to say the word stop to me whenever you feel like. I'm going to shuffle the cards, just say the word stop.
Stop.
Okay, just place the card back here. Yeah, you remember it, right? Do not forget it.
Yeah.
And everybody at the camera also should remember
Absolutely.
it. Perfect. So, these are all 52 cards.
Yeah.
Your card is special, I'll tell you why. Because once I just snap my fingers, everybody else also can see. You remember the card, right?
Yes.
You see that there's one card in the whole deck that starts to change the color. And there's only one card in this whole deck which actually changes the color. So, in your nicest and clearest voice, what was the card you chose? You can just say it out loud.
Red Heart 7.
7. So that's a very common card, if I may say, because that card is loved by everyone.
Yeah.
So there's only one card here which changed, and this is 7 of Hearts, just right here, which changed into the red one, and something very special. If I can have your hand like this, yeah, that other one, yeah, perfect. So I'm going to keep your card, the 7 of Hearts. Can you place your other hand on top of this? Yeah, and press it tightly, okay? I'm going to just shuffle the cards. Perfect. I want you to say stop once again. Just say stop anywhere you like.
Stop.
Okay, perfect. So this card is what you're going to see. I'm not going to show it to anybody else, but just you. Okay, and maybe the camera can also see it. It doesn't matter. So this is the card. Just make sure you remember this.
Okay.
Perfect. And I put it back here inside. Okay. Just some normal shuffles, and that's it. Okay. I just snap my fingers. What was the second card you saw?
Red Heart K.
Okay, the King of Hearts.
King of
That was
Hearts.
a random choice, I think. You were the one who said stop. You saw the card, right? And we had given the 7 there. I just snapped my fingers. Did you feel anything?
No.
I want you to turn your hand and show that card to the camera and see it yourself. It changed to the King of Hearts.
Oh my God, this is
Thank you so
brilliant.
much.
Brilliant.
Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Thank you so much. I want you to think of your password, digit by digit.
Okay.
First digit, second, third, and fourth. You had a similar expression for 2. Is there a repetition? I may say, I think the second and third digit, are they the same? By any chance?
Yeah.
Okay. There is some kind of an expression change in the first digit. Okay. I'll count out loud. I want you to look at me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You stop playing with your fingers around 6. Is the first digit a 6 if I'm not wrong? Okay, so I know that first is a 6. I know second and third is the same number. And could you count loud from 1 to 9?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Okay. You lost eye contact around 7, 8 and 9. If I'm not wrong, the second and third digit are 9. And could you just count back again from 9 to 0? Backwards, from 9 to 0. Yeah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
That's
3,
it. That's
2,
it. I think I've got this because you constantly looked at me and you didn't break eye contact. But when you said one digit, you looked away. That was 6, and I think the last digit is also a 6, and that opens the 4. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Amazing, amazing.
Every trick I do, I try to read your mind, right? This is a trick where you will read my mind, because I developed this kind of thing where people used to tell me, teach how it's done, please show us how it's done. So I was always under the impression that I can do something that allows people to read my mind, okay? So I'm going to keep my phone out here for now. Before I came here, or actually I think yesterday, I was at home practicing and doing stuff with my cards. I laid all the cards on the table, okay? And all the cards were on the table, and then I was like, let's make a trick out of it, let's do something, right? So imagine that all the cards, these are all the cards, okay? I took out one card, I put it upside down, and I took a picture of it. So it's there in my gallery somewhere, maybe it must be the last picture itself. So imagine that these are the cards on the table. I want you to pick up any one card.
Okay.
Yeah, and just take it out. See it yourself. First, are you satisfied with that? Do you think that is the card of which I have taken the picture, or do you think it's something else?
Something else, obviously.
Okay, so you can.
Probably
You
it is something
want to
else.
change it? You want to change it, or you want to go
No,
ahead?
I will keep it with
You'll go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can just show the card to the camera and to everybody.
Okay,
And
here's
me
the card.
also. It doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay, here's the
Yeah.
card. Yeah.
You can keep it upside down in the deck. You can show it to me also. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Upside down. Upside down. Perfect. This way.
Oh.
So face up. So here is a 10 of clubs which goes in the deck, and I wouldn't touch the deck after this. If this works, then I should have a picture of a card which I took yesterday, right? You could have chosen any card from the deck. You could have chosen the first card, you could have chosen the last card, but you chose one specific card. So the very first time, this phone, I haven't touched it ever since it's on airplane mode, so none of them can WhatsApp it to me, or I do not have a assistant out there, okay? So for the very first time, I'm going to go all the way to my gallery. You know, you use an iPhone, so you know which apps are the Photos app, right? So for the very first time, I'm going to go to my gallery out here, which is the Photos app, and the card you chose was the 10 of clubs, right? It was completely random. I did not force you to say it, we did not set it up.
Absolutely.
I'm going to my personal gallery out here. And here are my normal pictures. And there is one card here which was taken yesterday which says the 10 of clubs.
No way.